inside it.
Oh my god, I am instant dead. Yeah, you like that? Boy, I ain't like that. How did you think we come back, did ya? You know it's for you, boy. Yeah! Oh my god! It's already low, it's already low.
4 minutes left.
Oh. We're fine. Oh, he said it. You want the best, come get it. Roger! He shot the trigger grenade as it came out of my hand! Before you kill me, I must let you know there is a body in here that has 2 Torrents and a Volcano on it. No way! What an idiot! Let's go! Wait, you need a shield recharger? I can give you one.
Here, no, you got